How's it going, bros? It's here. The Authentic Scale Ring. Yeah, baby. And, as you can see, I did not do the unboxing of the box because my uncle tricked me, and I didn't have, and I was just so excited that I pulled it out of the box as soon as I got it, so, my fault. But, I'm here to show you the finishing product. But first, let's show you the box. And it's a huge box. I have to sit all the way back just to see it. And this isn't just a regular one. This is the limited edition. I mean, not limited. Well, limited. I guess it is limited edition exclusive ring side collectibles. 20 by 20 inch scaled ring, rubber turnbuckles, fabric ring skirts. It's a picture of John Cena doing the shoulder tackle to Ryback, and that's why it's exclusive, because of the bonus SmackDown skirt. And there's the features. It says 12 rubber turnbuckles, 1-to-1 scale to 6 figures. 6-inch figures is what it means, because down here it says holds over 50 6-inch WWE Superstar action figures. And it says it's easy to assemble. It took me almost an hour to assemble the turnbuckles, so don't lie, you little piece of bag shit. And this is the license plate for the product, so yeah. And this is my little doggy, just a little doggy. And that's, see, it says exclusive, which is the 2 ring skirts. And there was 55 pieces, so yeah. The Authentic Scale Ring is what it says, and again, same thing. And again, what it says, but it says different things. There you go. And then down here includes that. The steel steps. I don't know why I said it in country accent. The ropes, the Raw and SmackDown aprons, the turnbuckles, and the things that hold up the ring posts, I guess the things that hold the turnbuckles, the things that hold the mat, the things that go in the middle of the bottom, and those things, I had no idea. But let's get to the ring. And yes, that is the ring. Huge as balls. So let's get to it. Okie dokie. So, ring apron. And get out of the way. Go. Go. Get out of the way. WWE.com for the Raw apron. Yeah. White ropes. So WWE on all the turnbuckles, and then Raw right there. And then here it is, zoomed out. And there's the table. And so, and here is the SmackDown apron. So I'm gonna try this with you guys watching. Grab the wrong thing. Hold on just a second. Okay. Let's just pull it down slowly. Pull it down slowly. Pull it down slowly. And there's the finished product for SmackDown. Let's just put that there. So yeah. None of the mat came up. I don't think. Yeah, none of the mat came up. So SmackDown WWE.com. And yeah. So that is the ring, and I'm very excited to have this. It's a really good, really big ring though. And but if you liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.